Hey guys, welcome to any channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up your Moto device after a reset. So just simply tap on let's go and here tap on next, next again, set up as new, and this is important. Here you have to tap on don't use any network for setup and continue. Tap next and you can just simply type any name here or you can just skip it. Now tap on not now, skip anyway, and here on Google services simply tap on next, accept it, and there we go. Now our Moto phone is successfully being set up. So that's all in this video guys. Make sure to sub the channel and leave a thumbs up. Bye for now.